on this case at hand. Please listen so that you'll understand. Silence began when the sun bade goodbye. The night was so peaceful, so silent, so shy. But the stillness was broken by a horrible sound that caused so much panic in the creatures around. The sound was so grating, my ears almost bled. Chaos ensued, the peacefulness dead. Why did they make that extreme cacophony which sent my frail heart pumping so wildly? Scared by the croaking, I galloped away, leaving my home, my stable, my hay. I cannot be blamed for leaping and leaping. I could not help it. The sound was so frightening. So, Goddess Maria, that is my answer. It is the fault of the croaking creature. He is the reason why I jumped on your babies. He is the culprit.